Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make this snowman using old socks. So take a socks and fill it with rice, or you can also fill it with pebbles. Now we are going to make partitions. So tie a knot and cut it using scissors. You can also use a rubber band in place of thread. Similar way we are going to make the hat as well and cut the extra socks. We are making multiple cut for the hat and look, it's ready. Now we are making the muffler. Put the eyes and nose as well. Decorated mode. We are using buttons here and look, your snowman is ready. We are going to make these beautiful snowflake designs. So let's get started. We are taking a white craft paper here. You can take whatever color you like. So fold it, make a triangular shape, draw this shape on the top of it, cut it and look, it's ready. In similar way, you can make these beautiful design on the top of this white craft paper. Cut all of them and you will get these beautiful snowflake designs. We're going to cut these shapes using craft paper. We are using glitter paper here, so roll this glitter paper together in a circular form and make the shape of bell. You can add more strip of paper like this using hot glue gun and look, your bell is ready. Cut the extra part of the glitter. Now we are going to make a beautiful bow using this square red glitter paper. So paste it at the center and cut it from its sides using scissor and look, your bow shape is ready. Paste it on the top of the bell like this and look, your beautiful bell is ready. Let's make paper snowman today. We are going to use this white craft paper. Make multiple folds like this. Now open it, again fold it like we're doing here in a zigzag form. Look like this. Now paste it using glue stick in a circular form and look, it's ready. Similar way you can make two such shapes and combine both of them together. Now add details like hat, eyes, its nose, muffler and look, your snowman is ready. Let's make this beautiful little cap using fruit foam net. So we are going to tie a knot on this yellow foam net and we are also rolling it and paste it using double-sided tape. Similar way we are going to make a pom-pom ball and put it on the top of the hat and look, it's ready. Going to make this beautiful Christmas tree using craft paper. So take this green craft paper, fold it and make a triangular shape. Now make multiple cut and paste all of them one after another at the center using glue like this in a cone shape. Now add more decoration like glitter, sparkles and star and look, your Christmas tree is ready. We're going to make these beautiful flamingos using pine cones. So color them pink. Now using this tissue paper, roll it and we're going to make the body. So cover it using roller tape like this. Give it shape like we're doing here and look, it's done. Similar way we are making the legs as well. So cover them using roller tape as well. Now take a paint and brush and color them pink. Make the eyes and draw the beak. Combine all of them together. Paste it like this and look, your flamingos are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.